Welcome to a journey into tranquility, a voyage towards peaceful sleep. We're going to explore the ancient practice of meditation, a tool that has been used for thousands of years to quiet the mind, reduce stress, and promote a sense of peace and well-being. The beauty of meditation is that it's not only good for your mental health, but it has profound effects on your physical health too, helping to lower blood pressure, reduce anxiety, and even improve memory and concentration. But perhaps one of the most significant benefits of meditation is its ability to help us sleep. Through the practice of mindful relaxation, we can release the day's tension and prepare our bodies for a deep, restful sleep. Tonight, we're going to embark on a session of guided meditation designed specifically to promote relaxation and sleep. So, let's set aside our worries of the day and prepare to embrace the peaceful embrace of restful sleep. Begin by finding a quiet, private space where interruptions won't disrupt your journey. This space can be anywhere you feel at ease. A cozy corner of your bedroom, a serene spot in your garden, or even a peaceful park. The important thing is that it's a place where you feel calm and undisturbed. Next, make yourself comfortable. You can sit on a chair, a cushion, or even on the floor. The key is to maintain a posture that is both relaxed and upright. Keep your spine straight but not stiff. Imagine a thread gently pulling your head upwards towards the ceiling, aligning your body in a natural, effortless way. Your hands can rest loosely on your knees, or you can fold them in your lap. Find a position that feels natural and balanced. Now close your eyes and take a deep, calming breath. This is the starting point of your meditation journey, a voyage towards tranquility and restful sleep. With your eyes closed, shift your focus to your breathing. Begin by noticing the rhythm of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the sensation of air as it enters and leaves your nostrils. There's no need to alter your breathing in any way. Simply observe it as it is, in its natural rhythm and pace. As you focus on your breath, you'll notice that it has a life of its own. It's always there, always present, a constant companion on your journey through life. It's a gentle reminder that you are here, alive, in this moment. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. Pay attention to the sensation of the air as it enters your body. Feel the coolness as it passes through your nostrils, travels down your throat, and fills your lungs. Imagine this breath as a wave of calm spreading through your body, from your head to your toes. Then, turn your attention to the exhale. Feel the warm air leaving your body, moving up from your lungs, through your throat, and out through your nostrils. With each exhale, imagine releasing any tension or stress that you might be holding onto. Your breath is a powerful tool. It's a bridge between your body and mind, between the conscious and the unconscious. By focusing on your breath, you are harnessing its power, using it to anchor yourself in the present moment. You might notice that your mind begins to wander. That's okay. It's completely natural. When you realize that your mind has drifted, gently bring it back to your breath. Don't judge yourself or get frustrated. Simply return to the sensation of the air entering and leaving your body. With each breath, you might find yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Let it happen. Allow your body to grow heavy, your mind to grow quiet. You're doing great. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to do this. It's all about finding what works for you. As you breathe, feel your body beginning to relax. Let this be your mantra as you continue to focus on your breath, allowing yourself to sink deeper into relaxation with each passing moment. As you continue to breathe, allow your body to relax, from your face to your feet. Let every breath you take become a wave of relaxation, washing over you, releasing tension and stress from each part of your body. Start by focusing on your face. Feel the muscles in your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, and your jaw soften and release. Let go of any tension you might be holding there. Let your face be a mask of tranquility. Now move your attention to your neck. Feel the muscles unclench, becoming loose and relaxed. Let your shoulders drop, releasing the weight they've been carrying. Allow this wave of relaxation to flow down into your arms, your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Next, bring your focus to your chest and stomach. Feel them rise and fall gently with each breath. Let any tightness or discomfort dissolve away with every exhalation. Now turn your attention to your back. Feel the wave of relaxation smoothing out any knots or tension in your upper, middle, and lower back. Let's move further down to your hips and legs. Feel the relaxation spreading, loosening the muscles of your thighs, your knees, your calves, and finally, your feet. Imagine any remaining tension in your body draining away through the soles of your feet, leaving you completely relaxed, completely at peace. Remember, if at any point your mind starts to wander, that's perfectly okay. It's natural for the mind to drift. When you notice this happening, gently guide your attention back to your breath. Stay with the sensation of breathing, the rise and fall of your chest, the feeling of air entering and leaving your body. Let your breath anchor you in this moment, keeping your mind from drifting away. If your mind wanders, simply guide it back to your breathing. And as you do, remember to maintain the relaxation in your body, from the top of your head all the way down to the tips of your toes. Continue focusing on your breath, allowing each exhale to deepen your relaxation. Feel the rhythm of your breath, steady and calm, like the gentle ebb and flow of the ocean tide. With each inhale, draw in peace and tranquility. With each exhale, release any lingering tension, worries, or thoughts that may cloud your mind. Visualize your worries as a mist that gathers with your inhale, and as you exhale, see it disperse, evaporating into the air, leaving you with a clear, tranquil mind. Each breath you take is a step further into a state of deep relaxation, a journey into the quiet corners of your consciousness. Think of your thoughts as leaves floating on the surface of a serene lake. With each breath, you're causing a gentle breeze that nudges these leaves, these thoughts, further away from you. They drift away, leaving the surface of the lake, your mind, calm, undisturbed, and crystal clear. Every breath is a gentle whisper, a reminder that you are here in this moment, alive and at peace. Let this truth anchor you. Let it be your guiding light as you navigate through the vast ocean of your consciousness. Feel the weight of your body heavy with relaxation. Your body is like a stone sinking into a bed of soft sand, each grain representing a moment of peace, a moment of tranquility, a moment of rest. As you continue this journey, know that you are not alone. Your breath is your companion, a constant rhythmic friend that reminds you of the life within you, the peace around you, and the tranquility that awaits you. Remember, the goal is not to silence your thoughts, but to acknowledge them without judgment and then let them go. They are like birds flying across the sky of your mind. They come, they go, and they leave no trace. Maintain this peaceful state, clear of worries and full of relaxation. You are here now, in this moment, wrapped in the warm embrace of peace and tranquility. This is your sanctuary, your haven, your home. Welcome. Now, as this tranquil journey draws to a close, prepare to return to your physical surroundings. The soothing sound of your breath continues to echo in your mind, a gentle reminder of the peace you've cultivated within. Savor this moment of pure relaxation, basking in the stillness you've created. Begin to gently wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the soft, tingling sensation as warmth returns to them. Notice the texture of the fabric beneath your fingertips, the firmness of the ground beneath your feet. Feel the weight of your body against the surface you are resting on, grounding you in the present moment. Take a moment to acknowledge the space you are in. Without opening your eyes, visualize your surroundings. Picture the walls, the ceiling, the furniture around you. Remember, there's no rush. Take your time to reacquaint yourself with your environment. Now bring your attention back to your breath. Feel the cool air entering your nostrils, traveling down into your lungs, and the warm air flowing out. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest with each breath. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat, steady and reassuring, a testament to your existence. Allow yourself a few moments to appreciate the calmness and relaxation you have achieved. Feel the tranquility enveloping your body, soothing your mind, and quieting your soul. This is your creation, a sanctuary of peace that you can return to anytime you need. As you prepare to transition from this state of deep relaxation, know that you can carry this sense of calm with you. The tranquility you've discovered within doesn't have to end with this session. It can be a refuge, a constant in the ever-changing tide of life's challenges and triumphs. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to adjust to the light, to take in the world around you. As you rise from this meditation, remember the serenity you've cultivated. Carry this tranquility with you as you drift off into a peaceful, restorative sleep.